back to the second video of our tech series. Today we are diving into the process of creating our data model for a customer B2C application. Let's begin by taking a look at the ER diagram showcasing the structure of our data model. It comprises five entities. First one is the customer entity, which is the main entity of our data model. Then we have product entity, which includes the product information. Then we have customer address entity, which includes the customer address information. Then we have a communication entity, and the last one is a customer product entity. Now let's go back to the our Profisee application to create a new data model. So by clicking on the administration section, we have to click on advanced modeling option. Then we have to click on the create new model to create a customer B2C application. By simply providing the name for a model, we have to click on a save button. Then it will create a empty data model for us. To create a product entity, we have to right click on the entities option, then click on a create button. By providing the name for an entity and a description, it will create a product entity. We have to click on a save button. So as you can see, product entity is created, and along with the entity, it creates two default attributes which are by defaultly created by Profisee. The first one is a name attribute and the second one is a code attribute. So here the code attributes serve as a primary key for the product entity. Now we will create a attributes for the product entity. So we have to create product name, product description, origin, sales unit and price, these five attributes. Again, go back to Profisee application. Right click on the attribute section, then click on a create. It will open a create attribute dialog box. We have to provide a name of attribute. Then we have to provide a description here. And we can choose two types of attribute. First one is a free form type and second one is a domain based type. So mostly domain based type is used to create a relationships and for creating a list of values. So here we will select free form type. Then we have to choose the data type from here. We will select text and then we have to click on a save button. It will create a product name attribute. Similarly, we will create the product description, sales unit, price and origin attributes as well. So here we have created all the attributes of product entity. By using the same procedure, we have to create the all of the all of the entities like customer entity, customer address entity, communication entity, and the last one is a customer product entity. We also have to create a publisher table which will include all the source information. So here we have created all the entities along with all the attributes for the entities. We also have created list of values for a channel frequency. After that, we have created a list of value for a person type, preferences, publisher and value status. We also have created our all main entities like product, person, and the communication channel preferences. So this is about how we can create data model, and there we have it. We have successfully created the data model for our application within the Profisee environment. In our next video, we will delve into establishing relationships between the entities. Stay tuned for a more exciting insights and tutorials on our tech series journey. Thank you.